Dreaming of turning raw data into compelling stories that drive real-world decisions? Then let's map out your journey to becoming a sought-after Tableau developer in just a few simple steps. First, master the fundamentals of data visualization. Learn about chart types, color palettes, and how to effectively present information to your audience. Experiment with different chart types to understand which ones best represent specific data relationships. Tableau offers a wide range of visualizations, so practice makes perfect. Next, dive into dashboard design. Focus on creating intuitive and visually appealing dashboards that allow users to quickly grasp key insights. Think about user experience and how to guide them through the data. Data integration is crucial. Familiarize yourself with connecting Tableau to various data sources, from simple spreadsheets to complex databases. Learn how to extract, transform, and load data effectively. Finally, understand performance optimization. No one wants a slow dashboard. Learn techniques to improve the speed and efficiency of your visualizations, like filtering, indexing, and data aggregation. Becoming a Tableau developer opens doors to exciting career opportunities across various industries. Keep learning, keep creating, and watch your Tableau skills transform your career.